I was able to get my TikTok to over 500,000 views in only 1 week. I'm going to talk to you guys how you can go viral on TikTok in under 5 minutes right now. So before we do anything, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and stay to the end of the video because I will be giving you the extreme secret on how you can blow up your videos in under 5 minutes for TikTok. So the number one thing that you need to understand to get viral on TikTok is that it's meant for you compared to other platforms to get viral. Not only just to get viral, but to get famous. It's like the whole point of TikTok. The whole point of TikTok is because they want people to see you consistently no matter what. And compared to platforms like Instagram, Facebook, those are private networks. Those are only people who are in your network or in your connection that's only going to be able to see your content, and only if they decide to share you or get you more exposure is when you're able to grow. But compared to those platforms, TikTok is a little bit different and a little bit easier. In fact, it's probably even better. Now, the difference that you need to understand with your TikTok is that not everything you post is going to blow up, but what you do post matters, and the way you present it and the way you title it and tag it all play into effect to have a viral video. I was able to get my TikTok to over 500,000 views in only 1 week. Yes, 500,000 views in only 1 week, which brought me in 32 to 56,000 people of traffic. Now, the thing with TikTok is you need to understand that you first need to make a really good video that is either funny, collective, or just has some really great content aspects to it, and even creates interest in the sense of asking a question or assuming what someone's gonna say, or giving examples of traits or things that you do on the daily or behaviors. Now, you might be saying that's a lot of words. Okay, let me simplify it. Inserting the videos that you have on TikTok, you'll notice that trending videos are probably the number one examples of how you can create all of your videos or some of your videos to become viral. Whatever trending on TikTok, try to incorporate it and copy it. It's kind of the reasoning for TikTok. They want to see different views and different approaches of the same trend that's trending. Now understand, on TikTok, it's always evolving and it's never the same. And that's really the whole point. So if you're trying to get viral on TikTok, your content's going to probably have to change consistently, and doing the same thing over and over will just not work when it comes to TikTok. So try to change it up as much as possible when it comes to the content aspect. Now, if you want to understand how to go viral in the sense of the steps that you kind of take to get viral, you would need to understand that your video does play a major role into it, but your music does play the most important role. Now, why I say that is in TikTok, you'll notice that viral videos all have something in common, and that's the music. The music is not only contributed in the aspect of where the video can be seen, but what people are going to be looking for when they click on the video. Now, the most common thing you'll notice is when you click on a TikTok video and you're watching it on the For You page, that you'll hear a certain song or a certain melody that's being used, and you'll just click on the song and you'll use the sound. Why I say this is the best way to go? Because that song is not only trending because other people are using it, but it's going to be trending because other people are using it. And so that's like the easiest, most basic answer to really getting a lot of traction from your TikTok, or traction to your TikTok from the music. So if we look back now in the halfway point, content matters, and what's ever trending on the content aspect, try to do it, try to copy it as much as possible, not be too copycatish, but try to put your own little touch on there. And then when it comes to your music, try to use a trending song or trending, catchy song. That way you can gain more traction to your TikTok video. Now, last but not least, almost last to not least, you need to understand having a really good hashtag sense. Your video can kind of flop, and it's really important to use hashtags. FYP is something that's working, which is the For You page. that kind of works, but you need to trial and run as many hashtags as possible. Try the ones that convert the best in your eyes, and then try the ones that don't convert. So even if that means every day that you upload a video, you should definitely try the ones that work the best. Now, I would suggest looking at trending videos and seeing their hashtags and trying to copy those and say, okay, these are the ones that kind of work best for the viewer count, and then keep switching it up every time. Like I said, TikTok's always evolving, so you should be always evolving in the TikTok hashtags and even the TikTok content. Now, last but not least, we're gonna say the most important thing on TikTok that really matters, but is really overlooked. It does come down to your TikTok being, having a lot of content consistently popping up. So I always recommend, and I kind of recommend now, that when I was first trending, it took me 3 tries before I even got it right. So before my viral videos got kind of viral, it took me 3 different versions of the TikTok video before one of them hit it big. Now, I'd say you should make, on the daily at least, 3 videos on TikTok. They should all be different and all should have different hashtags, but they should always be uploaded a day. I think 3 videos a day is sustainable because it not only gives you a chance to keep running different videos to see which one works, but it even helps out with bringing in just conversions of people to your page. And that's what you want. You just want people to have traction, consistently come to your page, consistently see what you do, consistently watch your content, and consistently want to see you. So last but not least, that was all of the things of how you can get viral on TikTok.